The hidden crisis in dairy farming, subclinical mastitis and its ripple effects. Milk, often called nature's perfect food. It's a cornerstone of human nutrition and a vital livelihood for millions of dairy farmers worldwide. But beneath its creamy surface lies a hidden crisis threatening animals, farmers, and even public health. Meet subclinical mastitis, or SCM, a silent infection affecting the mammary glands of dairy cows. Unlike its visible counterpart, clinical mastitis, SCM shows no outward signs. Yet, it significantly reduces milk quality, compromises cow health, and incurs huge financial losses for farmers. The culprits? Bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. These pathogens not only impact milk production, but can also develop resistance to antibiotics, creating a dangerous ripple effect. SCM isn't just an animal health issue, it's a public health concern. When milk from infected cows contains antibiotic residues, it can foster antimicrobial resistance, or AMR, in humans. This makes treating common infections harder, posing a grave global challenge. Subclinical mastitis costs the global dairy industry billions of dollars annually. In India alone, the losses are staggering, with billions of rupees lost to reduced milk yield, veterinary costs, and discarded milk. For small-scale farmers, these losses can be devastating, affecting their livelihoods and communities. But hope is not lost. Advances in technology are transforming how we detect and manage subclinical mastitis. Devices like Quadmastest provide quick, farmer-friendly solutions, allowing early detection of subclinical mastitis before it impacts milk production. With such innovations, farmers can act swiftly, minimizing losses and safeguarding milk quality. Prevention remains the best cure. Proper milking hygiene, nutritional supplementation, and modern tools like internal teat sealants help keep infections at bay. Exciting alternatives like bacteriophage therapy and acoustic pulse treatments offer solutions that reduce reliance on antibiotics, combating antimicrobial resistance while preserving milk quality. The fight against subclinical mastitis requires collaboration between farmers, scientists, and policymakers. With education, innovation, and sustainable practices, we can mitigate subclinical mastitis's impact and build a healthier, more resilient dairy industry. Together, we can ensure that milk remains a source of nourishment, livelihoods, and hope for generations to come. Join the movement. Learn, innovate, prevent. This video was brought to you by Chimertech Private Limited, revolutionizing dairy farming through innovative solutions.